Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.